Hi, this is Matt from tracyandmatt.co.uk, and this is the HTC P6300 or 6300. Slight anomaly in a way, this device, because it's a return to the older style HTC device, a bit larger than we've come to expect now. But let's have a look at what we get inside the box. We've got a manual, the device itself, which I'll place to one side as we normally do. There's a screen protector, another user manual, warranty card, application disc with sprite backup and GPRS monitor included apparently, which is good. The leatherette case with the HTC branding, very nice. Spare stylus, headphones, which have the extended or enhanced mini USB, charger with a USB cable, and a USB to mini USB cable for synchronization and charging. So just move all that to one side and take a look at the device. As you can see, it's quite large compared to a lot of the devices just at the moment, and very much a return to the devices of old, such as the Himalaya and the Alpine devices. It's 3.5-inch screen, which is 320, 240, 320. Although you could probably pack a 640, 480 into a 3.5-inch. Sadly, quarter VGA. Regular buttons for email, internet, your red and green phone keys, 2 soft keys, an OK and a Windows key. Turning over, we've got the stylus posted at the top. It's a large stylus, not a telescopic, which I personally prefer. On the top we have a power button and an SD card, that's full-size SD card slot, and 2 megapixel camera, probably the standard HTC. Not expecting too much from it, to be perfectly honest. There's a voice notes button, a volume control slider. The other side has a button for the camera. On the bottom we have the mini USB or enhanced mini USB connector and reset button, and then we have the back cover with the battery, large battery, which is exactly the same as on the Himalaya and the Alpine. So if you've got one of these older devices knocking around, that will actually take the same battery. Yeah, pretty much standard in every other respect. If I just put the back cover on, and I'll give you a quick size comparison next to the M700 there. As you can see, it's a lot bigger, and side on it's a little bit thicker, wider, and so on. There you go. And compared to the my Samsung i600, there's quite a considerable difference. Although it's a return to the old form factor, it does include Wi-Fi, that's B and G certified, Bluetooth, no 3G or HSDPA, in fact no, not even Edge, it is just GPRS only. It has got a 400 MHz CPU and 256 meg ROM, 128 meg RAM, so it probably will run fairly rapidly, and it's a nice looking device. I know a lot of people prefer a larger device, especially with a larger screen, so that will appeal to many people. I'm going to go off now and power up the device and have a little bit of a play around with it, and I'll be back shortly to let you know what we think of it. Our thanks to Expansys for loaning a device. If you want to purchase a HTC P6300, you can get one at www.expansys.com.